Hello, my soil fan bam. So y'all been rocking with me for quite some time, and I think it's about that time to show you me outside of my backyard urban farm. So I am in Mississippi spending some time with my cousins, and let me tell you, this vlog is all about family, fun, and a little bit of country charm. From backyard chickens to big trucks and even a Scooby-Doo party, this trip is one for the books. So let's dive in. So it wouldn't be right if we didn't kick it off first with some chicken. So yes, this is at my cousin's backyard flock, and her hands, child, are living the good life. And her daughter is the perfect little farmer. She is so enthused with the chickie babies, and as you can see, she's throwing them grass. She wants to give them all the treats. She is a natural with these ladies, and they are indeed spoiled with all the love. And just wait until you see what she has for them next. So she grabbed her daddy. She was like, "Daddy, the babies need some water." And I was like, "Okay, madam." And then my cousin has this mulberry tree right next to the chicken coop. And of course, you see my big cuz Trey, he's checking it out and he says the berries are good. They nice and sweet. So I grabbed one to taste test, but then little mamas told me, the chickens need it. So I didn't even get a chance to taste it. All right. But we grabbed some fresh mulberries and got it for the chickie babies. And of course, they absolutely loved it. And they're a great snack for the chickie babies.
Give me some. I'm hungry. Give me some.
Yeah, they.
Oh,
They love that berry. They love that berry. So this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna grab you some berries to give to them, so you can see they go crazy for it.
That's a tree full of berries. How do you do a fight here?
I'm get some berries.
Are you gonna get them?
Some of the best berries at the top.
They look dirty.
You gotta get them more than one. They went running for that.
It's black.
Oh yeah, go ahead and throw it in there and give it to them. You threw it too hard. It went on the other side.
Yeah.
Say, who knew that the chickie babies could be such foodies? But I absolutely loved how my baby cousin, like, she is so attentive to them chickie babies, and she was gonna make sure that all the little berries, even though bless her heart, she was going one by one, but she was gonna make sure everybody had a berry. And now let me tell you a little bit about my family. Baby, whether we up north or down south, it is one thing we gonna have, and that's gonna be a big truck, okay? And more than likely, it's gonna be that Dodge Ram truck, okay? We gonna have us some power and some luxury.
Boy.
And Trey continuing his reign of terror
Yeah.
on the birthday girl.
Ready, Robin? Here you go.
Will Daddy catch you? He gonna catch you?
Because, of course, what's family time without a little rough house? And as you can see, we got Auntie, she backing up her Dodge Ram. Cousin got another Dodge in the back. But, you know, like I said, that's just one little tidbit about my family, baby. We gonna have us some big toys, okay? We gonna be able to get whatever job we need done. And I can just honestly say I want to give it up for my auntie's front play, because she made it known, baby, I'm a black unicorn. You not gonna find one of me just out there, okay? Oh, my Trey. I love him so much.
My name took a hard
A
bite.
Scooby-Doo party. Say we got Scooby-Doo, birthday girl, coming bearing all the gifts.
She got two on her actual birthday. I gave her one. She asked, she said, "Are there any more presents?"
Look, she said, "Don't tell on her."
And after all of the Scooby-Doo themed birthday fun, we made it back to Trey Trey's compound. But before I move on, I just got to say, I got to give it up to my cousin Adrian because, man, the way she paid such attention to detail and had that party feeling like you stepped back on then Saturday morning lineup, like from the snacks to the decor. Baby, she did that thing. Now, out here on Trey's compound, as you see, it's the chickie babies with an actual chickie baby there. That's, big old man, rooster. Actually, both of them, they side by side. And I showed you guys the two fur babies that are outside. They are so sweet, but they also don't play. And there's even a fur baby on the inside that I'll show you soon. But I just love being out here in the open, allowing the chickie babies to free range, to see that. Like, it's just phenomenal. And I'm really considering letting my chickie babies have a field trip to come down here so they can get that free range feel that they can't get in the city.
I absolutely love it that it was not planned, not intended, but just about all of the first cousins all have chickens. Gotta love it. Like, one thing about us, we gonna love us some God and have a good time in the Lord. We're gonna travel, we're gonna have adventures, we're gonna love hard, we're gonna love big, and baby, we gonna have some type of sustainable lifestyle. And apparently we've chose fur babies and they even got a cat inside. We chose fur babies and chickens and farming.
And here you can see that aforementioned fur baby in the house.
Y'all see my chauffeur? We're about to go on the acres of land. We have the other ladies, they're leaving. And this is my beautiful whip. Now, what was that, sir?
I'm a professional driver.
And what were you rated?
5 stars.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, which side do you want to go? This side or this side?
Let's start with that side over there.
Right. This side will change anyway.
So we have a little bridge we go over.
I'm not expecting to catch on the track. So here on your left, you have a trampoline and pool. Pool's out of condition.
Okay.
Pool out of condition, but that's fine. Now, we take over, we have the right. It's a beautiful tree there. The wood is all white.
Now, my professional driver was exactly that. He deserves all 5 of his stars, okay? And just in case his mama or daddy is watching, let me go ahead and give the disclaimer, baby. I did speed the video up quite fast. He was not out there acting like he didn't have no sense and acting like, safety was not a thing. He was very much on his P's and Q's. And I love the fact that he was an excellent tour guide because every time we came up of something notable along the acres, he made sure that he said, hey, so when we were over there by the pond, he was like, hey, here's the pond coming. And he also told me the dangers of it because I was kind of like, yo, let's slow down, let's take in a pond. And he was like, because it be snakes over there. And I'm like, all right, so let's come on. And the next up, we decided to go check out the bees, and I just was so excited to see the bees because I thought it was phenomenal that my cousin got into beekeeping. So now the name of the game is to go check out the bees without getting stung. That's our number one prayer. We want to see and not be seen. You get it?
Thing to do when it comes to bees. Let's try to go far over. So those are bees. Yeah. Nice little, have their own little section down here. Hi, Mr. Bees.
In this moment, I'm just so proud of my little cousin. Oh.
And my father is doing the above ground garden now.
Right.
Because it shows better success rates. So, yeah, it's a nice little garden here.
Prison rules with these chickens are ridiculous. They eating the poor dog's food.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
So I had a wonderful driver, and now it's time for the driver to teach me how to be a driver over this 12 acres of land. So then I can scout the land and decide where I'm gonna put my house because yes, it's official. Then talk to the owner about to have me some land. So
So, first thing you do.